Mira, the reason I tell them to put the bowl cleaning up here, because así la de aquí cae para abajo. Y si tú le miras aquí, fíjate cómo está ahí abajo. Right here, para que miren ellas. You see what it is?
Mm-hmm.
So if you put the toilet bowl liquid right here, it goes under there, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me show you what it does. But this is gonna get rid of it, no le llevo bastante. Take your time and do it right. It is work. It's gonna work better than when you just put it in there. Cuidado porque esto te va a picar aquí. Ahorita no vas a mirar con el arte limpio.
You can see it run down.
Yeah? When you hold the brush, you hold it from here, this hand over here, like this. And you're gonna go like this. Like this. See what she doing? Voy a tener que... Ay, no,